Yeah, testosterone replacement therapy, hormone replacement therapy. I started doing all that when I was 40. So that's their age. Yeah, it makes a big difference.
Makes a big difference.
Fuck yeah. Look, listen, everybody listen to this. There's a stigma attached to that in a lot of people. Like, where do you get your testosterone from? I get it from my balls. All that matters is that you have it in your system. If you don't have it in your system, you're not going to feel as good. It's real simple. If you're fine with not feeling as good, good. Go ahead. Stick with that. But if you're not fine with it, this is 2018. Hormone replacement therapy exists for a reason. And that reason is it makes you feel way better. It makes your body work way better. You can avoid a host of ailments and conditions that are related to your body breaking down due to age with hormone replacement therapy. The key to doing it, though, is to do it correctly. You're supposed to go to a doctor that's going to test your blood levels, test your nutrient levels, and adjust your diet first. The first thing that happens is they want to find out how much you're sleeping, how stressed out you are, what are you eating, how much water are you drinking, are you getting the proper amount of protein and vegetables, are you eating correctly. Let's get you off of the sugar. Let's get you off the booze. Let's get you off cigarettes or whatever else is before they do anything. So they put you this is a many month process that I went through where they get you off of all these different things and you make these adjustments. And then they start adding a little stuff. Add a little bit of growth hormone. Add a little bit of testosterone. First it was cream, and then it became injections. Takes a little bit of time to figure out what works best. And then you get to a point where you have the hormone levels of a healthy young man. You don't want to elevate. You don't want to be higher than that. That's when you run into problems. You don't want to be in like some crazy Vitor Belfort when he got popped from Nevada and he was like some superhuman
What was the guy
levels.
from Denver that was 80% over? Remember on a Sunday night against, he was supposed to fight Rumble Johnson. What's the guy from Denver? The Christian, nice guy.
Nate Marquardt.
Nate Marquardt levels were really high in Pittsburgh that night. Remember
That's right. Yeah,
it was
they say
Pittsburgh.
he was in danger. He was like there is dangerous to his health. The levels, but he says that was his doctor. His doctor fucked him. The whole idea. Well, there's a difference between. First of all, there's a big difference between someone who's competing in mixed martial arts. Obviously, you have to worry about your opponent getting hurt because of the fact that you're enhanced. And these are young guys that are doing this. When Nate was doing this, he was like 30 years old, right? When you're talking about just general health and wellness, testosterone replacement therapy, hormone replacement therapy, there's a reason why a lot of older guys, especially guys who can afford it, they have money, they're doing it. It makes you feel better. It just does. And if you don't want to do it, that's fine. There's ways of elevating your testosterone natural. They just don't work as well.